Here's what you need to know about what is Syslog. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Syslog is the standard protocol for collecting and forwarding log messages from network devices to a central log server. Routers, switches, firewalls, and servers all generate event messages. Syslog captures and stores them in one place. It is essential for troubleshooting, auditing, and detecting security events across a network. Key concept: Centralized Log Collection. Instead of logging into each device individually, Syslog sends all event messages to one central Syslog server. This makes searching and auditing logs much faster and more reliable. Key concept: Severity Levels 07. Syslog uses 8 severity levels numbered 0 to 7. Level 0 is emergency, system unusable. Level 7 is debug, detailed info. Level 3, error, and below trigger immediate attention. Key concept: Syslog message format. Each Syslog message includes a facility, the source category, a severity level, a timestamp, the host name, and the message text. This structure makes automated parsing and alerting possible. Key concept: UDP 514 and Syslog-ng. Standard Syslog uses UDP port 514, fast but unreliable since UDP has no delivery confirmation. Syslog-ng and Syslog add TCP support, encryption, and filtering for more reliable log delivery. Let's look at the full breakdown. Level 0, emergency. System is completely unusable. Immediate action required. Example, kernel panic. Level 1, alert. Action must be taken immediately. Example, disk failure detected. Rare but critical condition. Level 3, error. Error conditions present. Example, interface down. Requires investigation. Level 6, informational. Normal operational messages. Example, interface up. No action required. Level 7, debug. Detailed diagnostic info used during troubleshooting. High volume, disable in production. Here's a real-world example. A network admin configures all 50 routers and switches to forward Syslog messages to a central server running Graylog. At 3 a.m., a firewall generates a Level 3 error message. WAN interface down. The Syslog server receives it, triggers an alert, and the on-call engineer gets a text, all before any user notices the outage. Quick recap before you go. 1. Syslog collects and forwards log messages from network devices to a central server. 2. Uses UDP port 514 by default. TCP variants like Syslog-ng add reliability. 3. 8 severity levels. 0, emergency, is most critical. 7, debug, is least. 4. Each message includes facility, severity, timestamp, hostname, and message text. 5. Essential for network troubleshooting, auditing, and security event detection. That's what is Syslog covered. Exam tip: memorize Syslog uses UDP port 514 and has 8 severity levels. 07. Level 0 is emergency, level 7 is debug. The exam may ask you to identify the severity level of a given scenario. Lower numbers are always more severe. Next up, what is NetFlow? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.